what's doing, new product coming live on our website. We do a heap of Navaras. Got one here in front of me, one here behind me. What we're going to do is a 4-inch exhaust, not a 3-inch exhaust. We already do a 3-inch exhaust. But let's do a 4-inch exhaust from the DPF back with a diff dump. So what we're going to do is 2 different types, just a 90-degree or a 45-degree bend, or we're going to do a lobster tail as well. So a couple different options there. It's going to be 4-inch from the DPF back. We're going to show you what the 3-inch straight through sounds like, and we're going to show you what the 4-inch straight through sounds like. So you can compare apples with apples against each other. So let's go and have a look. We've got Josh's car here, so we're going to throw the 4-inch on, show you what it sounds like, and I'll throw the 3-inch back on, show you what it sounds like, so you can make a choice of what you want to do. All right, so underneath the car now, this has got the 4-inch in it. So we've got 4-inch from the DPF back. Whether that identifies as DPF or not, we don't discuss, but it is a DPF there. 4-inch all the way through, and this is just a little 45 drop here. We do have a lobster tail as well, which I'll show you in some pictures. But that's 4-inch diff dump, nice and easy, good high quality stainless steel. I'll put some specs down on the screen down here so you know what they are. Can't remember off the top of my head if it's a 304 or 316, but either way, it's high quality stainless, TIG welded with the gases going through the inside and all that stuff. So it's pretty high tech gear, all built here at Project. So yeah, we'll get this run up, see what it sounds like. All right, so we're just gonna get the start up here so you can see what it sounds like on startup. All right, we're gonna let this warm up and then we'll show you the hard cut limiter, see what it sounds like. That's hard limiter, so now we'll go for a drive on the street and I'll be there from the street as they take off so you can see what it sounds like. So that's the 4-inch. We'll put back on these 3-inch and I'll show you the difference. All right, so we've got 3-inch back in. We're just going to do a start up, shut down, and a hard cut, and we'll go for a drive. And that's a 3-inch. Josh has told us the 4-inch is a little bit louder inside the car than the 3-inch, but you can see the differences there. One's obviously aluminized mild steel and one's a stainless, so price differences are going to be there obviously due to the material, this is different. But both links will be in the bottom of the description down here so you can see them. We have them in stock ready to go and we can ship them Australia wide. So let us know what you think. Do you like the 4 inches? Do you like the 3 inches? What's your preference? Let us know below. But hit that like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.